Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. It's me, a boy, Dr. Dystopia, and me and my friend here, we're just changing car tires. It's whatever, right? Yeah. So these bad boys right here, these are new, very nice, slick, very nice grooves right here. Yeah, curvy. That's what you like in a wheel. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, pretty new. Well, kind of. But you see, pretty nice all around. Very easy. This is the second one. Also very nice, very neat, very tidy. Well, it's the same, but it's, the second one. And here's the third one. Now, you'd imagine that, changing car tire would be easy. Just a few bolts behind these, nothing major, But no, that's not the fucking case at all. We've put a 14 millimeter. What are these called again? Sockets. Yeah, exactly. What I said, not him. Yeah. No, but a 14 millimeter socket on a 17 bolt or a lug nut or lug bolt. Yeah.
Because
yes, you can see we've peeled off the metal.
The stupid thing keeps rounding off. It's insane.
Yeah, you can normally fit a 15 on this now. It's insane. We had to do the same with, I think it was this one as well. But we fit a 16 on it and that worked, thankfully. We used one of these nice burners, right? Wait, let me just... yeah, can you start it? You need to seem cool on the internet. Just... no, we just...
You turn this on,
yeah,
you just
like this. Yeah, and you heat it up, and you point it at your friend. No,
you burn them alive.
Yeah, exactly. Oh fuck. Oh shit, we need to turn it off. Turn it off. Yeah, so we used that on them. Worked decently. But this is a fucker. It genuinely does not want to come off. We've used a fucking hammer because here's the thing, or not come off, but we put it on and we're going to try to turn it like you usually do when you put a socket on to a bolt. However, there's a bit of a problem. You can see we fucking hammered this thing flat, so this bad boy can't fucking fit onto it. It can't. So what we're trying to do is that we're taking pretty much every tool we have at our disposal, like this hammer, and just trying to bend it out again.
And trying to file.
Yeah, we're trying to file for bankruptcy.
True.
No, that's right. I haven't filed anything, including taxes, for 20 years. Ha! Chicka swag. That's right. It's me. Yeah, boy. Wait. Tax evasion. Fuck you. Anyway, so we're gonna try some shit. See if anything works, really. And yeah. Why is it so dark? Hello. Why? Oh, there we go. Hi guys. Hello.
Welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play video.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah, so we're gonna try just random shit, see if anything works. If it doesn't, we'll blow this car up. Look, look. I don't know how this looks, okay? I never recorded this way. Fuck you. Anyway, as you can probably see, it's nighttime. And we failed miserably. We destroyed 1.5 sockets, kind of. Well, we didn't destroy them. It was one piece, and then we went like, whatever. Okay. And like I said earlier, this is the fucker. That one right there is the cause of everything. Well, really, it's not the socket. It's what's behind it, right there. The bolt or whatever, the lug bolt for the tire. So with that in mind, fuck you, die you motherfucker. Look, man, I'm tired and bored. Just, I don't know. Okay, so with a little bit of help, I finally got it off, or finally got it off. Yeah, see for yourself. Check it out yourself. Yeah, so now I'm guessing you want to see the aftermath, eh? Yeah, don't worry, I'm gonna show you it soon. I just wanted to note that real quickly that these are brand new. I'm going to add them instead of the old ones, obviously. You'll see why as well. It's been chopped in half anyway, and all 5 are gonna be new, by the way. And of course, the new wheel is going to be put on, you know, very snazzy. Pretty awesome. And yeah, so let me show you. Okay, nothing is different. The only thing I've done is taken some WD-40. That's fucking right, mate. Not sponsored. Nuh-uh. They're just genuinely fucking awesome. Same with this thingamajiggy. Rust corroder or whatever, remover. I'm just adding this as a precaution. Oh, you're not supposed to. Just suck my nuts. Yeah, so, and if we go here, I'm sitting in the way. As you can see, it's quite peculiar, isn't it? How it's normally supposed to look, how it looks now. Very fucking big difference. So yeah, so this won't be used anymore. Pretty obviously. But yeah, so let's slap on some new tires. Or well, a new tire because the other 3 are already on. So you know what I mean. Shut your dumb ass up. Kitty cat, kitty cat, kitty cat. Okay, so I've got the new bolt right here. Throw it on the ground. Just fucking chuck him. And then obviously add this bad boy on. Actually, you know what? I got a great idea. Let me just take all of these and just go.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
That was a dumb fucking idea. Never mind. just mechanic stuff, alright. Wait, this is too big. Fuck, is this? It's fucking 19 millimeters. Fuck off. Fuck it. Wrenching time. Wait, what? What the fuck? Look. One more finger. Yeah. That's fucking weird, it doesn't know that. It's done that on every other one. Now let's just sit and wait. So, why do we wait? Why don't we just relax and have a chat? So, nice weather. Well, how have you been doing? Good? Haha, I don't fucking care. Because the only thing I care about is money. Now, let's get back to it.
The ultimate aim is to produce
records that give you pleasure.
Where's the last one? Oh, ooh. And as you might have noticed, I got my fancy pants on because every day working on this car is a special occasion. It's torture and hell, unjust suffering, and a beautiful friendship. Or maybe more like agreement on some things, but you know, whatever. Is that metal? What the fuck? It's not rust, I think it's... Yeah, what the fuck? Like the inside of this is like breaking down, what the fuck? Down, down, down. Oh, let's go. My genius strikes again. I just need to do a bit more and then I should work. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. So yeah, it's been a journey with well, with the tires or tire and bolts, but yeah, I mean, obviously you can see right there that, you know, we're gonna need to fix a couple more things, but yeah, this car is pretty much fixed. Not to be sappy or boring or any of that kind, but just to quickly go through, me and my friend bought this a year ago, more than a year ago. We've been fixing it up, changed the turbo, cleaned out the entire thing. What else did we do? We changed brake pads or back. We also, we changed oil, obviously, but you know. And then we changed the tires, which is supposed to be easy, but I guess not. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna need to fix the rust there and back. Quick and easy, won't take too long, unlike this piece of shit. And yeah, with that, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like. You don't have to subscribe, fuck that. Yeah, so have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Fuck you, give me money. Just fucking kidding. The brake cylinder is cracked. Replacement video coming soon. Fuck you, give me money.